This is my cheap Toyota Tacoma that I just bought from a salvage auction, and it looks nice from here. A closer look will show why it's a salvage title. In today's video, it'll get fully fixed and treated like royalty with a crazy level detail inside and out. By the end of the video, it'll look new again. I drove the truck straight from the auction to the frame shop, and already there's some surprises that came up. The tires were rubbing really bad. This lift and bigger tires look great, but that'll need to be addressed. There's even a couple bullet holes in this thing, in the tailgate and by that mountain decal on the bed. Even though the damage might not look that crazy, this type of repair work costs thousands. And the sellers unscrewed the bed, which made it seem like less damage than it really took. The first order of business is getting parts while the truck is at the frame shop. I was able to find this rear bumper, complete with the tow hitch, for a great price on Marketplace. Spacers solve the rubbing issue, and with that out of the way, it's time to reassemble the truck bumper and swap the good parts off the old one. Now that the bumper and bed accessories are buttoned up, I swapped the broken taillights with these LED ones off Amazon. At $70 a pair, they were pretty cheap and did the trick. I'm not a huge fan of bumper stickers in general, so these gotta come off. The tailgate will be replaced at the very end, but now it's time to tackle this dirty interior. It had a bunch of pet hair and a really bad smell, which I didn't expect, so I went overboard, pulling the interior apart so everything could be vacuumed, extracted, and steam cleaned. So far the rear is all taken apart, and I found something down here. Man, I hope it's dirt. But with the dogs back here, you just never know. Alright, once I saw this center console and how dirty it was, I was happy I took it apart to clean it. To get the pet hair pulled up, I used a lily brush, which makes it easier to vacuum. Check out the product links in the description below. After the fabrics are vacuumed, they get sprayed with carpet cleaner, and then a drill brush helps agitate it before extracting it out with pure water. I think the most satisfying part of the detail to me is extracting the carpets, just seeing everything get pulled up. Drop a comment below, what do you think is the most satisfying part of the detail? Of course, you can't forget the seat belts. They were super dirty too. With most of the interior fabrics cleaned up, it's about time to start reassembling the center console. This part might look a little bit intimidating, but it's not that bad. It's just like playing with Legos. The last step for the interior is to get the glass all cleaned up. And check that out, guys, the interior is looking so much better. Moving on to the outside, I'll start with the engine bay. In this case, I chose to use steam and not power wash the engine because it was too risky. This missing front trim piece was an eyesore, but now it's looking much better. The paint really isn't too bad, but the wheels and bed definitely need a deep clean. Magic Eraser helped to get the results I wanted in this case, but keep in mind they can easily damage wheels if you're doing it wrong. With the outside looking good, I'll dry it off to prevent water spots and throw on some Aerospace 303 to protect the plastic trims and make it shine. And just like that, the truck is looking new again. So that just about wraps up this project, but of course there's one last thing to do. For some reason, there's like a whole fiesta going on. with different bugs. With that done, the project is complete. I know it's been a while since the last video, but if you want to see more, subscribe, like, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. See ya. Oh yeah, click one of those videos in front of you.